Welcome to the Health Science Library's homepage and the Health Science Library's tutorial on finding a journal article. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to locate a journal article using NIMCAT, the Health Science Library's online catalog, our e-journal portal, and the PubMed single citation matcher. This tutorial addresses the Health Science Library's Information Management Competency number 3, which is demonstrate the use of search terms and database features to construct a logical search strategy. As always, if you are off campus, please make certain you are logged in to our library homepage so you have full text access to all of our resources. First, let's go to NIMCAT, which you will find under More Research Tools in the catalog link. Click on it. Very good. This brings us to the basic search screen for NIMCAT that lists our print and online holdings. Let us search for the journal Cell. You can keep the search as all fields. Click Go. Sometimes the results list takes a little bit of time to populate. Now here we see the first record is the one we want. Now if you wanted to refine your search even more, on the left-hand side under item types, you could have clicked on periodicals, but in this instance it was not necessary. As you can see, our online full-text holdings go all the way back to 1974 to the present. Please click on that link. This will display all the issues that we have in our collection that are links to digital full-text issues. We do not own any print holdings for this particular journal. I will now click on the most recent issue, August 22nd, 2019, which opens up the journal and reveals all of the articles. From here, I can scroll down to the article I want. And here it is. I can click on it, and it will open up. And I can certainly, if I wish, read the article now, or I can download the PDF and view it later on. The second method of finding a journal article is through our e-journal portal. Let us return to our home page. And again, under More Research Tools, front and center, please click on our eBooks, eJournals link. Then, in the search box, make sure, or above the search box, make sure you click Journals Only. Then type in JAMA. This is the Journal of the American Medical Association. Click on Search. And here we have the flagship, our first record. But as you can see, we own many titles that cover a specific discipline. But the one we want is Journal of the American Medical Association. Now, as you can see, the two date ranges are the same that are covered by two different vendors or two different databases. Keep in mind that in this case, it does not matter which one you choose because the date ranges are the same. Now, in some instances, the date ranges may be different, and one may go back farther than another or even be more recent. So keep that in mind when searching for the date of the issue you need. I am going to click on the first one from the American Medical Association, which brings me directly to the publisher's website. I am now searching for the current issue, so I will click on the Current Issue tab. And now I can view all of the articles in this particular issue. Here's the one that I'm looking for. Here it is. Now, I can click on the article here, and I can read the full text, or I can download a PDF of the article and read it on my device whenever I wish. The last method in looking for an article is PubMed. So we've returned to our home page. And again, under More Research Tools, the link to PubMed is right here. Now, keep in mind that while PubMed is freely available to anyone with an internet access, please once again make sure you are logged in to the library homepage with your username and password in order to have full text of the articles from all the journals we own from PubMed. Now, we've accessed the homepage for PubMed. And under PubMed Tools, please click on Single Citation Matcher. What you wish to do here is fill in as much of the information as you know about the article. It is fine to leave fields blank because the point of this feature is it generates a search from what you know. I am looking for an article I remember from the Lancet Neurology. It was this year, so I'm typing in 2019, and I definitely remember it was about multiple sclerosis. Click search. Here, my search came up with 14 results, a reasonable amount to sort through. Notice too, on the right, you see that the New York Medical College Health Science Library owns all 14 of these articles. Let me scroll down to search for the one that I was looking for. Here it is. Click on it. I am now in the article record. Now I can see on the right my retrieval options. The red NYMC full text brings me directly to the full text of the article. And here I can read it on my device, or I can download the PDF. Now, let's go back to that record. I can also see there is an icon which takes me to the publisher, the Lancet Neurology. This will only bring you to their site and a paywall, so no need to click on it here because we own this article. Now, if the red NYMC full text link was not there, it would indicate that we do not have that particular journal article in our collection. In that case, click on the NYMC gray article linker icon, which would allow you to order the article through Iliad, our interlibrary loan service. Or, if we have it only in print, this red icon here will say NYMC Print Collection. In that case, click on that, and it will be ordered and scanned and emailed to you at no cost. This concludes the tutorial on how to find a journal article. Please contact us at the Health Sciences Library if you have any additional questions. We're available by phone, email, or chat. Have a nice day.